Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 10. So students, we have started reading with our 5th chapter from the book First Flight. The name of the chapter is The 100 Dresses 1. Okay, so we were reading a story about Wanda Petronsky, and in this video we will complete reading with our this chapter. So let's begin. As for Wanda, she was just some girl who lived up on Boggins Heights and stood alone in the schoolyard. Okay, so in the previous video we have read about Peggy, that by heart she was a sweet girl, she was a kind girl, she was a good girl, but still she used to make fun of Wanda Petronsky, right? Because she was having her own reasons that Wanda Petronsky is saying lie, why she is speaking lie. Okay, and as far as Maddie is concerned, she didn't like कि जो Peggy है वो Wanda Petronsky को hurt कर रही है, उसको tease कर रही है. Why? Because she herself was a poor girl. Okay, so this much we have read. And as far as Wanda was concerned, she was just some girl. Some girl means just like other girls. She was just an ordinary girl who lived up on Boggins Heights. So this was the area where all the poor families of that town used to live. So वो भी इसी area में रहा करती थी. And in the schoolyard, always she was there alone. So she was not having any friends to support her. So जब भी सभी लोग उसको यार्ड में हर्ट क्या करते थे, टीज क्या करते थे, so there she used to stand all alone. Okay, she scarcely ever said anything to anybody. So उसने Wanda Petronsky ने कभी भी किसी से कुछ भी नहीं कहा था. She never used to get angry that why everyone is teasing her, why everyone is making fun of her and her name and her dresses. So उसने कभी भी किसी को इस बारे में कुछ भी नहीं कहा था. The only time she talked was in the schoolyard about her 100 dresses, and the only time when she spoke something, when she talked something in the schoolyard was when she talked about her 100 dresses, when she said that I am having 100 dresses and all my dresses are lined up in my closet. Okay, apart from this, she never spoke in the schoolyard. Maddie remembered her telling about one of her dresses, pale blue with colored trimmings. So जब वो इस तरह से कहा करती थी that I am having 100 dresses, so जो Peggy थी, she used to ask her to explain her dress, to describe her dress. Okay, so वो कहा करती थी कि अपनी dresses को थोड़ा सा describe करो कि तुम्हारे 100 dresses किस किस तरह की हैं. So जो Wanda Petronsky थी वो अपनी dresses को describe भी क्या करती थी. तो Maddie को याद था कि Wanda Petronsky ने एक बार अपनी dress के बारे में बताया था, and that was a pale blue color dress and it was having some colored trimming. Okay, so इस तरह की ड्रेस के बारे में एक बार Wanda Petronsky ने बताया था. It was of a pale blue color dress with some colored trimming. So these are called trimmings. And she remembered another that was brilliant jungle green with a red sash. और इसी तरह से once Wanda Petronsky described about her another dress. That dress was of jungle green color and it was having a red colored sash. Okay, so in this picture you can see this is called a sash. Okay, so उसने एक बार कहा था कि उसके पास एक green color की dress है, jungle green color की dress है, and that dress is having a red colored sash. You would look like a Christmas tree in that, the girls had said in pretended admiration. So जब Wanda Petronsky ने अपनी ड्रेस को डिस्क्राइब किया था, so सभी गर्ल्स ने admiration में कहा था, and that admiration was a pretended one. Pretended means something that is not real or we can say fake. Okay, so सभी गर्ल एक्चुअल में admiration नहीं कर रही थी, but just to fake, उन्होंने एक fake admiration में कहा था कि if you ever wear that dress, that jungle green dress having a red sash, so in that dress you would look like a Christmas tree. Okay, thinking about Wanda and her 100 dresses all lined up in the closet, Maddie began to wonder who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. So जो Maddie है वो अभी भी Wanda Petronsky के बारे में सोच रही है, उसकी बोली हुई बातों के बारे में, जो dresses उसने describe करी थी उन dresses के बारे में Maddie was thinking, but suddenly in her mind, उसके मन में अचानक से फिर क्या बात आती है, she was wondering that who was going to win the drawing and coloring contest. So in the school there was a contest. It was a drawing and coloring contest. So Maggie was thinking, she was wondering that who will win this contest. For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses and for boys of designing motor boats. And now this competition, ये जो contest था ये किसके बारे में था? For girls, this contest consisted of designing dresses. So जो girls थी, they have to design some dresses and the boys, they have to design some motor boats. Okay, so this contest was being organized in the school and now Maddie was wondering that who will win this contest. Probably Peggy would win the girls medal. So Maddie was thinking that it is quite possible that Peggy would win the girls medal, the girls contest that was of designing dresses. Peggy drew better than anyone else in the room. और Maddie इस तरह की बात क्यों सोच रही थी कि Peggy ही जीतेगी? Because Peggy was the best person to draw anything in that room, in that entire class. जो Peggy थी वो सबसे अच्छी आर्टिस्ट थी, उसकी जो ड्राइंग थी, जो कलरिंग थी वो सबसे अच्छी थी. At least that's what everybody thought. और यही बात क्लास में सभी सोचा करते थे, सभी इस बात को माना करते थे that Peggy is the greatest artist in the class. She could copy a picture in a magazine or some film star's head so that you could almost tell who it was. और जो पैगी थी, she used to draw so perfectly. वो किसी भी पिक्चर को देख के उसको इतनी अच्छे से परफेक्टली कॉपी कर लेती थी, इतनी अच्छे से उसको वो ड्रॉ कर लेती थी, चाहे वो पिक्चर किसी मैगजीन में हो या फिर किसी फिल्म स्टार की पिक्चर हो, तो वो इतना परफेक्ट ड्राइंग बनाती थी कि उस ड्राइंग को देख के आप बता सकते थे कि वो जो पिक्चर है वो किसकी है. ओके, सो पैगी वॉज द द बेस्ट आर्टिस्ट इन द क्लास. सो एवरीवन वाज थिंकिंग दैट पैगी वुड विन द गर्ल्स मेडल. शी वुड बी द विनर इन द गर्ल्स ड्राइंग कॉम्पिटिशन. ओके. Oh, Maddie was sure Peggy would win. So Maddie was completely sure that Paddy is going to win this contest. Well, tomorrow the teacher was going to announce the winners and उनको ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना था क्योंकि नेक्स्ट डे ही जो टीचर थे वो अनाउंस करने वाले थे द नेम ऑफ द विनर्स. देन दे वुड नो, और उसके बाद सबको पता चल जाएगा. सो दे उनको बहुत ज़्यादा वेट नहीं करना पड़ रहा था. द नेक्स्ट डे इट वॉज ड्रिजलिंग, और जब नेक्स्ट डे आता है वो दिन when the teacher was about to announce all the winners of the contest, वो दिन कैसा था? It was drizzling. Drizzling means mild rain. So at that day it was raining very mildly. Maddie and Peggy hurried to school under Peggy's umbrella. So because it was raining, so Maggie and Paddy were going to school under one umbrella. It was Peggy's umbrella. Okay. Naturally, on a day like this, they didn't wait for Wanda Petronsky on the corner of Oliver Street, the street that far away under the railroad tracks and up the hill led to Boggins Heights. So today was a very important day. क्यों? क्योंकि जो टीचर्स है वो विनर्स का नाम अनाउंस करने वाले हैं. तो आज इतना इम्पॉर्टेंट डे है, तो ऐसे इम्पॉर्टेंट डेज पे जो पैगी और मैडी है वो वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की के लिए वेट नहीं करेंगे. ओके, सो वी हैव रेड अर्लियर कि जो पैगी है और उसकी जो फ्रेंड है मैडी, दे यूज टू वेट फॉर वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की कि वो आ जाए, और उसका वेट वो क्यों क्या करते थे? सो डैट दे कुड मेक फन ऑफ हर, सो डैट दे कुड टीज हर. लेकिन आज जब इतना इंपॉर्टेंट डे है, सो वो दे डिडंट वांट टू लेट फॉर द स्कूल. वो स्कूल के लिए लेट नहीं होना चाहते, इसलिए उन्होंने वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की का वेट नहीं किया. और जनरली ये वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की का वेट कहाँ किया करते थे? ऑन द कॉर्नर ऑफ ऑलिवर स्ट्रीट. और ये जो स्ट्रीट थी, इट वॉज वेरी far away under the railroad tracks and up the hill, and this street led to Boggins Heights. Okay, so यही वो स्ट्रीट थी जो कि आगे जाके बॉगिन्स हाइट्स तक जाया करती थी. सो जो वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की थी वो इस बॉगिन्स हाइट से इसी स्ट्रीट के रास्ते से स्कूल जाया करती थी, और इसी कॉर्नर पे मैगी एंड पैडी यूज्ड टू वेट फॉर हर. बट टुडे बिकॉज इट इज़ अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डे फॉर देम, सो ऑब्वियसली दे डिडंट वेट फॉर वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की. Anyway, they weren't taking chances on being late today because today was important. So it was very important day. That's why they were not taking any chances of being late. So that's why they didn't wait for Wanda Petronsky. डू यू थिंक मिस मैसन विल अनाउंस द विनर्स टुडे? आस्क्ड पैगी। सो दोनों ही बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं क्या टीचर्स जो है वो विनर्स का नाम अनाउंस करने वाले हैं, एंड पैगी इज़ वेरी मच श्योर दैट शी विल विन, एंड मैडी इज़ वेरी मच श्योर दैट या पैगी इज़ गोइंग टू विन दिस कॉन्टेस्ट। सो जो पैगी है वो मैडी से पूछ रही है कि तुम्हें क्या लगता है मिस मैसन आज ही विनर्स का नाम अनाउंस करेंगी? ओह आई होप सो, द मिनट वी गेट इन said Maddie. Of course you will win, Peg. So Maddie saying that yeah, today is the day when the teacher is going to announce the winners, and of course Peg, you will win the contest. Hope so, said Peggy eagerly. Then Peggy said eagerly means with a strong desire that yeah, I am also hoping this, that I will win this contest. The minute they entered the classroom, they stopped short and gasped, and as soon as when they entered the classroom, suddenly they stopped short and they gasped. Gasped means catch one's breath. Okay, so suddenly they were so shocked that they were unable to breathe. There were drawings all over the room, on every ledge and window sill. So what was there? What was the scene that shocked them, or we can say that amazed them? So when as soon as they entered the room, what was there? In every corner of the room there were drawings on every ledge and on every window sill. So here in the picture you can say these are ledge. So classroom में जितने भी ledge बने हुए थे उनके ऊपर हर जगह drawings थी. जो window sill थी classroom की, हर एक विंडो सिल पे हर जगह सिर्फ ड्राइंग्स ही ड्राइंग्स थी. Dazzling colors and brilliant lavish designs all drawn on grey sheets of wrapping paper. और ये जो drawings थी जो पूरे रूम में every corner, every ledge, on every window sill पे थी, ये जो सभी drawings बनाई गई थी, these drawings were made with dazzling colors, very bright, very brilliant colors with lavish designs. Lavish means very grand, okay, and all drawn on grey sheets of wrapping paper. Okay, so बहुत ही lavish color, ब्रिलियंट कलर, ब्रिलियंट डिज़ाइंस की वो सारी ड्राइंग थी जो कि पूरे क्लासरूम में हर जगह पर फैली हुई थी. There must have been 100 of them all lined up. और वो इतनी सारी पिक्चर्स थी, इतनी सारी ड्राइंग्स थी कि अगर उन्हें कोई काउंट करे, सो इट वॉज ऑलमोस्ट 100 ऑफ देम एंड दे ऑल वर लाइंड अप. ओके, सो नाउ डू यू गेट एनी आइडिया कि जो वोंडा पेट्रोन्स्की थी जब वो ये कहा करती थी दैट आई एम हैविंग 100 ड्रेसेस एंड ऑल माई ड्रेसेस आर लाइंड अप. ओके, सो उसका मतलब क्या हुआ करता था, शी वॉज प्रिपेयरिंग दिस ड्राइंग फॉर द कॉन्टेस्ट, और इस कॉन्टेस्ट के लिए उसने 100 ड्राइंग्स बनाई थी ऑफ डिफरेंट ड्रेसेस. और आज उसी की जो ड्राइंग्स है, ऑल हर ड्राइंग्स आर देयर इन द क्लासरूम एंड दे आर ऑलमोस्ट 100 ड्राइंग्स दैट शी प्रिपेयर्ड एंड ऑल हर ड्राइंग्स आर देयर लाइंड अप इन द क्लासरूम. ओके, सो वोंडा पेट्रोन्स्की इसी 100 ड्राइंग्स को रेफर क्या करती थी व्हेन शी यूज्ड टू से दैट आई एम हैविंग 100 ड्रेसेस एंड ऑल माई ड्रेसेस आर लाइंड अप, राइट. These must be the drawings for the contest. तो अब सभी के मन में ये बात आ रही थी कि ड्राइंग्स यहाँ पे क्यों है, because these all drawings are the part of this contest. They were, and of course all those designs were the part of this contest. Everybody stopped and whistled or murmured admiringly, and now because all drawings were having brilliant color, lavish design, so everyone in the class were so amazed seeing all those design that everyone stopped and they started to whistle, they started to murmur in admiration. Okay, so सभी को डिज़ाइन इतनी अच्छी लग रही थी that everyone was admiring, everyone was praising of those drawings, right. As soon as the class had assembled, Miss Mason announced the winners. Now when all the kids, all the students were there, all the class had assembled, then their teacher Miss Mason was there to announce the winners. Jack Bagels had won for the boys, she said. So first of all, she announced the winner for the boys contest. That was a contest for drawing some motor boats, and who was the winner? Jack Bagels had won for the boys, and his design for an outboard motor was on exhibition in room 12 along with the sketches by all the other boys. और जो जैक बैगल्स ने अपनी डिज़ाइन बनाई थी and she made a design of some outboard motor, so that design was now in room number 12 in some exhibition along with the all the sketches by all the other boys. So सभी जो boys के sketches थे, जो boys की drawing थी, all the drawings were there in the room number 12. Okay. As for the girls, she said, although just 1 or 2 sketches were submitted by most, one girl and room 13 should be proud of her. This one girl actually drew 100 designs, all different and all beautiful. And now she started announcing the winner of for the girls contest. और उन्होंने क्या कहा कि जनरली सभी गर्ल्स ने 1 या 2 स्केचेस ही सबमिट किए हैं. ओके, सो सबने एक स्केच ही सबमिट किया है, किसी ने 2 भी कर दिए हैं. But there is one girl in the class and the entire class should be proud of her. Why? Because this girl actually submitted 100 designs, okay, and all are beautiful and all are different. So उन्होंने कहा कि this girl has submitted 100 designs और all the designs are equally good, they are equally beautiful. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि 1-2 तो अच्छी बना दी, बाकी सब सिर्फ 100 काउंटिंग कंप्लीट करने के लिए बनाई थी. It was not like that. All the 100 drawings were equally beautiful. They all were having the equally lavish design, brilliant colors. Okay. In the opinion of the judges, any one of the drawings is worthy of winning the prize. उन्होंने कहा कि वो 100 की 100 ड्राइंग इक्वली गुड है, इक्वली ब्यूटीफुल है. इसीलिए जजेस का ये कहना था कि इन 100 में से आप कोई सी भी ड्राइंग उठा लो, every drawing is worthy of winning the prize. I am very happy to say that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls medal. And finally she announced the name and she said that I am very happy to say that Wanda Petronsky is the winner of the girls medal of this girls contest for the contest for designing dresses, right? Unfortunately, Wanda has been absent from school for some days and is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Next, she said that it is unfortunate that Wanda is not there in the school. So, we have read earlier in the chapter that Wanda Petronsky was missing the school. She was absent in the school for some days. So, the teacher is saying that she is not here to receive the applause that is due to her. Let us hope she will be back tomorrow. Now, class, you may file around the room quietly and look at her exquisite drawings. उन्होंने आगे कहा कि let's hope that tomorrow she will be in the school. Tomorrow we will give her a huge round of applause. And now everyone, आप सभी रूम में एक राउंड लगा सकते हैं. Just to look around and just to look at her drawing, all the drawings that are so exquisite. Exquisite means extremely beautiful. Okay, so she said that now you can look around the classroom and you can admire her 100 drawings, the drawings that are extremely beautiful, right? The children burst into applause and even the boys were glad to have a chance to stamp on the floor, put their fingers in their mouths and whistle, though they were not interested in dresses. So जितने भी children थे, students थे class के, उन सभी को भी वो drawing इतनी अच्छी लगी थी that they burst into applause. Applause means to praise, okay? So everyone was praising, everyone was admiring those drawings. और यहाँ तक कि जो boys थे class के, okay? So boys को वैसे तो ड्रेसेस में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं था, लेकिन वो ड्राइंग बॉयज़ को भी इतनी अच्छी लग रही थी कि वो दे वर हैप्पी दैट दे गॉट द चांस टू स्टैम्प ऑन द फ्लोर. सो बॉयज़ क्या कर रहे थे? दे स्टार्टेड स्टैम्प ऑन द फ्लोर, दे पुट देयर फिंगर्स इन देयर माउथ एंड दे स्टार्टेड टू विसिल जस्ट इन एडमायरेशन. ओके, सो एवरीवन वाज एडमायरिंग, एवरीवन वाज प्रेजिंग दोज ड्राइंग्स. Look, Peg, whispered Maddie. So अब Peg और Maddie जो दोनों ही श्योर थी that Peggy will win this contest. So अब उनका क्या रिएक्शन है? So Peggy ने बहुत ही धीरे से कहा, Look, Peg, there is that blue one she told us about. Isn't it beautiful? So अब Peggy और Maddie भी देख रही हैं उन 100 ड्राइंग्स को, वो देख रही थी एक एक करके. तभी Maddie ने कहा कि देखो Peggy, ये वही ब्लू ड्रेस है जिसके बारे में उसने वोंडा पेट्रोन्स्की ने हमें बताया था. So we have read earlier in द चैप्टर कि उसने 2 ड्रेसेस अपनी डिस्क्राइब की थी. वन वॉज ऑफ पेल ब्लू कलर विद सम कलर्ड ट्रिमिंग्स. ओके, सो जो ड्रेस उसने बताई थी एग्जैक्ट सेम ड्रेस उसने इस ड्राइंग में भी बनाई थी. ओके, सो जो उसने ड्राइंग में बनाया था वही उसने डिस्क्राइब किया था. सो वो ड्रेस वहाँ पे थी, तो उस ड्रेस को देखकर मैडी पहचान गई थी दैट इज द सेम ड्रेस दैट शी डिस्क्राइब. और उसने कहा कि दिस ड्रेस इज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. यस, सेड पैगी, एंड हियर्स दैट ग्रीन वन बॉय, एंड I thought what I could draw. So Peggy is equally surprised. Okay, उसको भी इतना ही surprised हो रहा है. She is also admiring those drawings और उसने कहा कि yes, this is very beautiful. और तभी उसको वो green dress भी दिख गई. Okay, so we have read that this was a jungle green dress having a red sash on it. Okay, so वो dress भी वहाँ थी, उस dress की drawing भी वहाँ थी. So Peggy ने कहा कि ये dress भी यहाँ है. And now she is so amazed, she is so surprised कि वो कह रही है कि जो वांडा पेट्रोन्स्की है उसने इतनी अच्छी ड्राइंग बनाई है और मुझे लग रहा था that I am the only one who could draw. मैं इस क्लास की बेस्ट आर्टिस्ट हूँ. My drawings are the best one and I will win this contest. But look at these drawings, they are so perfect, they are so beautiful. Okay, all right. So अब जो मैडी और पैगी हैं, they are also admiring the drawings of Wanda Petronsky. Okay, so here this part 1, the 100 dresses part 1 is completed here. Okay, so I hope the chapter is clear to you all. In the next video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.